Coach Now 2021. Now the third time in a row. Congratulations, Barbara, from deep in my heart on this milestone. So, what are my thoughts on freedom and coaching? The first thing that comes to my mind is a person, Viktor Frankl, neurologist, psychiatrist, philosopher, and founder of logotherapy in Austria. You may know Viktor Frankl suffered immense deprivation and several losses during World War II. And all the while, he said in his book, Man's Search for Meaning, you can imprison the physical body, but you cannot imprison the mind. Now, this position recognizes the importance of our power to choose the attitude we adopt about our circumstances and life. That is, we can choose our own way in the face of anything that people do to us. The questions are then, at least for me, number one, do I take also the liberty to think freely? Second, do I take the inner and outer space to express what is inherently human, my freedom? And when I do so, three, what is my responsibility in it? To what extent is my freedom arbitrary? That's why Viktor Frankl recommended the Statue of Liberty on the East Coast be supplemented by a Statue of Responsibility on the West Coast in the United States. Coaches now, what is our responsibility in what and how we coach our clients to A, recognize the power they have to choose their attitude to anything. B, take the liberty to express this power freely. And C, embrace this as a responsibility to not allow their own freedom degenerate into any arbitrary acts of freedom at the expense of others. Because naturally, as we are interconnectedness, what comes round goes round. By this, Barbara, thank you for taking the liberty to have me speak my mind freely here. And on closing, I'd like to encourage you coaches and everyone present today. Coach freely, free your power to choose, and use your power as coaches responsibly. Goodbye and good luck.